Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at a fabulous Cartier Santos Demoiselle. This one is 18 karat rose gold, and the rose gold on this one is a little bit more pinky, and it's just so soft and flattering on the wrist. The Santos Demoiselle is a little bit more kind of brick shaped and squared off than the Panther, which I actually really like. I think it's kind of a cool contrast from the Panther. And this one in particular is a kind of a mid-size. It's a 26 by 26 millimeter. It doesn't really look very small. It's a very nice mid-sized watch. And it has these beautiful diamonds all over the bezel and lugs, and Cartier diamonds and Cartier jewelry in general is laid to precision. It has these, their diamonds are selected perfectly to fit every single space. There's no empty space or anything that you can see, and they just shine and sparkle in such beautiful unison and really add a lot to this watch, which is a pretty simple design, but it is really elevated with all of these beautiful diamonds. This Cartier watch has a silvered dial, so it's kind of got that warm tone to it. Doesn't really distract from the rose gold appearance on the outside. It's got really simple and elegant Roman numeral hour markers. It's got a diamond on the crown, which really matches all the other diamonds, and it's got the classic Cartier blue steeled hands. All in all, this is a really great, fabulous, traditional Cartier watch, and if you are trying to buy a gift for someone, you don't know what to give them, and you know that they love Cartier, this watch would definitely be right up their alley because it is a really nice and beautiful piece of the Cartier lineup. Especially, if you love the Cartier Santos Demoiselle, or if you love the Panther line and you want something a little bit different, or if you are just a lover of rose gold in general, this watch will definitely be right up your alley. So if you've fallen in love with this watch and you want to get one for yourself, or like I said, as a gift for someone that you love, especially with the holidays coming up, you should definitely check it out right now at SwissWatchExpo.com.